and welcome to a special edition episode of Science with Bexy, where I'll be doing a fun experiment that hopefully you can do at home as well. Today I'll be testing out the rainbow rainfall. For this experiment you'll need vegetable oil, food colouring and a glass of water. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Add drops of the liquid food colouring into the oil. You can see the oil and food colourings aren't mixing with each other, and this forms an emulsion. Mix them together, give them a good old stir. Pour the mixture into a container of water. Oh, that's a bit gloopy. Nevertheless, you'll see that the oily cloud releases a flood of coloured rain. Wow, that's awesome! Stay tuned, I'll give you a bit more science behind it at the end of the video. How cool was that? And so pretty! Now oil and water don't dissolve in each other, so the liquids remain separate. But when the dye droplets reach the oil-water boundary, they dissolve into the water. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and share with all of your friends. And please do try it at home.